Good morning, students. In this video, we are talking about comparison of fractions. Now, when we want to compare fractions with unequal denominator, that means if denominators are different, there are three steps which we have to follow. First one, find the LCM of the denominators. Second, convert each fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator equal to LCM, and then we will compare the numerators. Now let's see this by taking one question. We have to compare these two fractions here. So first step is take LCM of 15 and 20. Now let's take LCM by prime factorization. So here it is 15, it is 20. We have to take prime factors here. So we are starting with 2. 15 as it is and 2, 20 how many times? It is 10 times. So 2 tens are 20. Now again by 2, 15 as it is and 2 fives are 10. Now by 3, so 3 fives are 15 and 5 as it is, and now both are divisible by 5. So here 1. That means LCM of 15 and 20 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. It is 60. So this is the first step. Now coming to the second one, we have to convert each fraction into equivalent fraction. Let's see the method for this. We have to apply this formula LCM divided by denominator multiplied by numerator upon LCM. So let's begin this. LCM is 60. So in denominator we have written 60. Now let's see the first one. LCM 60. So 60 divided by denominator is 15. Multiply by numerator is 7. Now coming to the next fraction. LCM, which is 60, divided by denominator 20 multiplied by numerator 9 upon 60. Now let's first do division. So 60 divided by 15, answer is 4, multiply by 7. And here 60 divided by 20, it is 3, multiplied by 9. Now let's do multiplication here. So 4 sevens are 28 and 3 nines are 27. So this is upon 60. Now let's compare the numerator, because now denominator is same, so we have to compare numerator part. So which one is greater here? 28 upon 60 is greater than 27 upon 60. And when we are writing in this form, which fraction is greater? 7 by 15 is greater than 9 by 20. So this is how to compare these fractions. Coming to second question, we have to write them in ascending order. Again, first of all, we have to find out LCM of denominators 6, 8 and 7. Again, by prime factorization. So here we are doing starting with 2. So 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 7 as it is. Again by 2, 3 same, then 2 2s are 4 and 7 as it is. Again by 2, 3 same, then 2 1s are 2, 7 as it is. Now we will do by 3, so 3 1s are 7 as it is. Now we are doing by 7. So at last we are getting 1 1 1. So LCM of 6, 8 and 7 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which gives 168 as the LCM. Now let's follow the same formula here. So here 168, this is the LCM. Now LCM divided by denominator, first fraction denominator is 6, multiply by numerator is 5. Second one LCM 168 divided by denominator, which is 8, multiply by numerator, which is 7. Third one LCM 168 divided by denominator 7 multiply by numerator 3. Now let's first do division. On dividing these two numbers, answer is 28. So 28 multiplied by 5. On dividing these two, my result is 21 multiplied by 7. And on dividing these two, answer is 24 multiplied by 3. Now let's find the product. So answer of this 140, here 147, here 72 upon 168. Now let's write them separately. So 140 upon 168, 147 upon 168 and 72 upon 168. Now we have to mention it in ascending order. So the smaller one is this one. So I have written here number 1, this is number 2 and this is number 3. Now let's finally write the answer ascending order. So ascending order, first one it is 3 by 7, second 5 by 6 and third 7 by 8. So this is how to compare fractions.